This software gives me a lot of control in my own hands, in my office, to easily go through and design FDA-approved sleep apnea device, an EMA. Patients will be much more happy being able to go into treatment sooner. My staff and I will have more control of the product, and also as we manage the case going forward, be able to jump in and to redesign if needed in a very simple process.
What I really liked about this software is just how easy it is and how inclusive it is, because I've used other softwares before and it seems like you gotta buy all these subscriptions, you've gotta then export and import, and it's a mess. So I really like the ease of use, and how that's gonna translate to my practice is that patients are gonna get best care, but they're gonna get it at the most convenient way when it's dealing with sleep apnea. And so treating more patients get better care, easier on the staff, and easier for the doctor.